In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit cryptocurrencies in Pionex. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Pionex like you usually would and log into your account. Then from here, you need to go over to Wallet up here in the right hand corner and go down to Deposit. Then it should look something like this. And over here, you can select what type of coin, cryptocurrency you want to deposit into Pionex. Let's say I want to deposit Bitcoin. Then from here you can see down the deposit network and it will automatically choose BNB Smart Chain. But if you don't want to choose this network, you can go over to the switch button over here and select the Bitcoin network instead. And down here you can click OK. Then from here you'll see the deposit address. And over here you can copy the deposit address, or you can manually write it if you want to do that, if you have the time. And if you want to use a QR code, you can do that by scanning this one right here. Over here you can see the minimal deposit limit, and then from here it will arrive down here in the deposit history, where it will say whether or not it's active or completed. And if it's completed, then you have successfully deposited crypto over to your Pionex account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!